Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're talking about how to emergency lock your Coinbase account. Why would you need to emergency lock your Coinbase account? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're doing some traveling, you know that sometimes people will steal your phone and you're logged into Coinbase. So you need to emergency lock your Coinbase account. First, on your computer, you're going to log into Coinbase. I've already logged in. This is the home screen. Here on the top right, you're going to click on your initial. Once you click on the initial, you'll see this drop down and you want to click on the blue manage account button. Once you do that, you'll see these 5 options off the left and you want to click on security. Once you click on security, you're going to see these 4 options at the top and you want to click on lock. Once you do that, you're going to click on the red lock account button. I'm not going to do that because it's going to freeze up my account. But basically what happens is it's going to lock everything out of Coinbase on your cell phone, on your computer. And in order to get back into your account, you're going to have to enter in your email and your password. After that, Coinbase is going to ask you to verify your identity. And that could take anywhere between 4 hours and 24 hours. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to emergency lock your Coinbase account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.